Alright guys, let's just hop right into it. Welcome back to Couch Collectibles. Hope you guys are having an awesome day as always. This first 1992 Jefferson nickel coin here has a die break at the bottom of the coin here on the obverse of the coin. So you'll see that extra metal there on the rim of the coin. We also refer to these as cuds. So you can look for a cud die break on all kinds of different coins, not just nickels. This coin ended up selling for over $25 at auction. You know, it's only graded at an AU50. A 70 is the best you can get on the coin grading scale. So if the coin was, a mint state 68 with this die break, it would sell for a lot more than $25. Here's a 1992 D mint mark that sold for $200 at auction. Now you have to keep in mind, these are very common coins. They're not rare to find in pocket change or from the bank. However, if you have a 1992 D and it's in this condition at this grade, then it can be worth, up to $200 depending on when you sell it and the grade population of the coin at the time in which you sell it. So it all depends on the demand and things like that as well. But this coin sold for that price because it has that mint state 66 grade by PCGS. Now here is another mint error coin. So this is the 1992 D mint mark Jefferson nickel that was struck 20% off center. This coin sold for around $100 at auction. Some off centers can be much less than this, just 5% off center. Some could be much more than this. So off centers can take place on all kinds of different coins. Here's another off center error. This is actually on the 1992 P mint mark. Actually, these two coins sold together for $100. That's my mistake. This is graded at a mint state 64. The last coin was graded at a 63. This is 25% off center as opposed to 20% off center, and this is the P mint mark, not the D mint mark. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, so we got 3 of these coins that sold together. I was thinking 2 of these coins sold together. Alright, so 3 of these off centers sold together. Here's a 2001 that also sold with the 1992. So we have a 1992, 1999, and 2001 off center coins, $100. All 3 coins. Now here is a very valuable 1992 Jefferson nickel coin here. The coin sold for over $630 at auction, and that's because we have a Jefferson nickel design that was struck onto a Lincoln cent from 1992. So you'll see the design of both the penny and the nickel here in the images displayed. $632 for that coin. Now here's a high graded example of the 1992 P mint mark Jefferson nickel. Again, we looked at this on the D mint mark. It's graded at a mint state 66. That's where all the value is at. The coin sold for over $80 at auction because of that grade. Now here's a coin that you will see in your proof sets. So it's the 1992 S mint mark that is graded at a perfect grade, a proof 70 deep cameo by PCGS. This coin sold for $100 at auction. So that's pretty much it for the Jefferson nickels from 1992. But feel free to check out my other coin videos here on the channel where we show you modern coins that are worth money, even 2021, 2022 coins that you can be looking for in your pocket change that are selling on eBay right now. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe in the middle. Check out those videos to the left of me. And until tomorrow, I'll see you guys in the comment section below. This is Couch Collectibles, and this is where I disappear.